So my name is Jennifer Harjo, and I live in Lakeville, Minnesota, just south of the Twin Cities.
So what I was going to ask you, I guess, as a Kiwi Club member, what do you think is the thing that you gain the most from the Kiwi Club, or what do you in general have to share about the Kiwi Club?
Well, it's like Christmas once a month, which I absolutely love. And the templates always stretch you a little and, push you a little bit outside of your comfort zone, like the fish, situation. But it pushes you to think outside the box and express your creativity and make it work, find a way to make it work. I absolutely love, otherwise everything just kind of starts becoming the same and it's not fun anymore. So I absolutely love when the idea book comes out. I have my husband print it for me, and as soon as the kit comes in, the two of them go in together and into the pouch until I'm ready to scrapbook. I watch your video on picking the photos, although I don't do it the way you do. I kind of pick one event at a time and make it work, and whatever I have the third layout is, that's my background, and it's gonna work. I mean, I wish I was as organized as you are.
I'm not. I mean, you see the aftermath and the event, but yes, picking pictures is a process, and I think it's good that you're like, okay, here's an event. I'm going to focus on that one for a moment. Yeah.
But yeah, well, and I love the kit. It just it helps things come together so easily. Everything's already matched and coordinated. You've got your templates there. You've got the suggested featured templates, and that's something that I've push myself to use. Okay, this is the border that they're featuring. That's the border that I'm using when I'm making these 3 pages. Because before it was like, okay, well, there's so many borders. What am I going to do? I don't know. Yes. So I don't look at anything else other than the featured borders that you have in the idea book and whatever the other templates are. And then I start, designing with that. And it just helps me create the pages without even really thinking about it.
Yeah. Too many options can paralyze you for sure. And there's definitely a lot of options in general, but that's wonderful. That makes me happy because that's exactly the process I follow, and it's worked. it every month it works, and that's how I create the pages for myself as well. And you were talking earlier about you previously would scrapbook, pages without pictures, and so I love that now. Even though you're like, I'm just taking one set of series of events and just focusing on that, but you're using the kit as that springboard to go find your pictures and then scrapbook them together.
Yeah, and I'm hoping that it just becomes more natural, and not that it's not natural, but quicker and smoother as I'm doing this to get everything organized and be able to just like, oh, I know exactly where those photos are, and because it takes me a while. It is just a great approach to just getting your material or your photos organized and getting the permission to get rid of all those bad photos. It's like, it's a memory, you can't get rid of it. But she's got a wonderful system of organizing and of curating your collection of memories, and it's just great.